In my head like a melody, laying back in this bed, playing back what you said, and it's not really helping me. Coming down from this high is a dangerous ride.
Hello everyone, welcome to Liberebil and welcome to another video here on Liberebil. Today's video basically takes place after the Toyota Hilux video. You guys have seen a full Toyota Legend 50 kit on the car. In this video, we do a BMW M4 in a liquid wrap. This car is going silver, the BMW M4, and this car is going a super dark blue. This is a Mercedes SL600 V12 2004 model, 2005 model with a notoriously wonky Mercedes suspension, what you call ABC suspension. So yeah, I'll tell you a bit more about this V12. This engine is bulletproof in transmission, but everything else around the suspension can be a little bit dramatic. Nevertheless, it's a Merc, so I must be extremely biased. I like it, I love it to bits, and so even with the M4 convertible's flaws, I still love it to bits. I'm only joking. Actually, I'm maybe not joking, because I am a big Mercedes and BM guy. Anyway guys, so we basically got this car completely stripped down already. You've probably seen in the previous video both these cars, and the doors are now being masked up. We're painting till here, the liquid wrap, and the bumpers, Mercedes bumpers over there, the bonnets over here, and then obviously the Ford Focus RS that you're gonna see in another video, but it's quite a bit here. So stay tuned, thumbs up, subscribe. I hope you all enjoy this video. Yes, I see the comments. Yes, I see you guys wanting me to get a car. I am looking at something, but I can't just rush now, ladies and gentlemen. It's a new business, it's a new adventure. I need to work very hard in order to attain those goals. You know, like we said, Drew and I sold our cars to start this business, so now it's recoup and you know, and work hard in order to accomplish that. So yeah, right, let's get cracking with the M4. That's all going in now. We're gonna paint that, then the car's gonna go, we're gonna finish paint the car, then it's assemble and cinematics. The same with the SL. So this video might go over 2 videos. So yeah. Guys, as I film the BMW M4, I'm trying to make these videos back towards vlogginess again. We have aircons going up here at L.A Customs. Finally, Paul Weather has been giving, I think Gino and I, it's been eating and Brent the hardest because we're not from Paul. So yeah, we've been dealing with plus 40 degrees here on top. So those aircons are going to be a breeze. We are going to close here up within the next few weeks, so this will be completely closed. There'll go a door over here for staff to come in. That way we can seal the top end for the aircons to do their work. So yeah, we have a slight problem with the BMW. The roof won't close because of the booter that was removed in order to paint underneath. So we're having to wait now BMW to quickly come and clear the codes, things like that, in order to get the roof to fold again. Alright, ignore the Nias who said that the BMW is going to be completed. We hit a few snags. We managed to get the roof folded. It was just basically put all of the parameters in for the door locks and stuff like that, and the roof folded accordingly. However, last night Gino stayed late and he got paint on the SL600. So this car went like a navy blue, but this is a liquid wrap. So this is fully peelable. Yeah, this looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. So after this, you're gonna see. Let me throw some 60s quickly up of the SL, and then after this, you'll see the Honda Accord, which we fully repainted. So the Niaz after this is lying to you. So Niaz here from the past. At this stage of the video, you should have seen the BMW M4 finish sprayed, but now another car came in, so I'm going to show you this car. This bloody compressor. So a Honda Accord came in. Jamie brought this car. For some reason, all Honda people's names are Jamie. I'm so confused by the situation. But I came in for fenders, so you can probably see here someone scratched his bonnet, so we've got a repaint on it. We're doing his headlights, repaint his front bumper, his fender over there. You can probably see here someone hit it in. There's scratches over here. He probably has a very angry girlfriend or something. We're doing glass black. I'm only joking. Glass black. We're repairing his spoiler, and we are smoking the headlights, making them look fresh again, and we're painting the rear bumper. Why does he want it painted though? I don't see anything wrong. It doesn't look like it was painted nice before, but that's about it. Okay, here is like stuff here. Yeah, let's check on this side of the car. Yeah, this side is straight. But these Accords, I did feature a few Accords on my channel. You can click the card either side. I think it's on one of the sides. But you'll see there where I did that very fast K series. Comes with a K, but a modified Accord. Is a very nice car. This is an executive, so it's got automatic with heated seats and whatnot. So yeah, another paint sign here. Don't worry, this is whiteboard markers, so we can make sure that we do all the right stuff to the car. So yeah, I'm super excited to see how Jamie's Honda is going to turn out. It's not going to look much different, but all of these dents and things will leave, and the car will look OEM fresh again, like it came out of Honda when we done with it. So yeah, let's continue with the Accord, and in the next video I'll reveal what the M4 looks like.
No. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth. How they coming for you. Yeah. No, don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? And baby, you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you never giving up unless it's real. A slippery slope, it's not enough to please you. Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair. They'll put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the
Tell a difference.
It looks like it came out like this from the factory. Oh my God, thank you so much.
It's a pleasure, bro. It's
Damn
an
great.
absolute pleasure. We didn't expect you to pull up now, so we're so busy shooting cities.
This car was dropped off with us on Jamie. When did you drop your car?
On Wednesday.
On Wednesday. Picking it up on Saturday.
Yo, I can't even see where you blended it.
Here, check this out. So obviously your front bumper,
2 days.
bonnet,
Paid, and it's a
fenders, doors,
We've got 10 cars in the workshop.
your
Guys,
spoiler.
we don't want
Check your
to see
headlights.
cars we want.
I saw it looks brand new. Shit, does it, Prince? Good things, man.
yeah, taillight smoke.
Perfect, it's not too dark, it's not too light.
Stuck in this state of wonder, yeah.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. I know we jumped straight from the M4 to the Honda Accord. You will see the M4 completed in the following video. I put up all that car as well as the SL600. Jamie, happy?
I'm very happy. Yeah,
Okay.
it came
Not just
out
saying because you're on
excellent.
camera.
No. It came out great with the blending and everything. I can't tell. It looks amazing.
Awesome.
Thanks very
Well,
much, guys.
I'm gonna give Jamie his keys.
Thank you.
L.A Customs cap.
Thanks,
Thank you
man.
for the support.
Thank you. Thanks,
And,
man.
It's a pleasure, Jamie. And looking forward to see you again soon
Yeah,
for some
definitely.
other odds and ends.
With the grills and the badges, we could talk about that again.
Definitely.
Yeah, for sure.
Some extras.
Definitely.
Thanks, guys.
Alright.
I'm just gonna wait for the bike sound to pass. I'm gonna say BFBU. Maybe also Liberebil out, no? I know it's COVID-19, but
In my
yeah.
gut.
Anyway,
Chest out.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Remember, check out Badia's video. You can click the link in the top of the screen. You can also check out the Focus RS video dropping pretty shortly, and then we're dropping the Gusheshe and Corolla videos in March, August, August?
August, April, March.
April, March side. March, April. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Be free, be you. Liberebil out.